All right, so we've got about 30 minutes to the opening bell, and as I sit down here this morning, leading gapper is MOB. It's up 114%, priced at 322. I've already taken a couple trades on it, and at this point, I guess I had one winner and one loser. I'm sort of thinking that because it broke this blue ascending support line, it's a little bit weak for right now. Unfortunately, it's a little bit cheaper. The level two, it's very thickly traded. It's pretty congested. I don't know this is a one where we're going to see some really nice breakouts at this point. I think it may be that the easiest trades are done, but maybe we end up seeing something on it later in the morning. I'm not really sure. The thing it has going for it is that it's a fairly recent IPO. It's not exactly a super recent, but fairly recent, a little less than a year ago. And it broke through this first resistance at $2.62 or 273, and then it from there had room up to 362. So some room there, and then above 362, you're starting to get closer to all-time highs. So this IPO'd in September of last year or August during a time when, IPOs were really performing exceptionally well. That's not been exactly the case right now. But in any case, of course, we did have PWM, which I'll go over in a second. But yeah, I think it's got a ways to go to get back to those all-time highs because of that move in September and August last year. So maybe over 362 if it gets a little higher, that could be interesting. But right now, it kind of was setting up an ABCD pattern, and then it kind of failed. That was right here. It should have broken away when it went to 340. It should have gone to 345, 350, but anyways. So that's our leading gapper. Second leader, MBTX. This one popped up a bit, but sort of trading sideways here. Check to see what the news is on it. 30 million share float. Well, float is a little higher on it. We'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to get up, but if it can get over $8, that would be interesting.